Are you feeling stuck and trying to figure out what to eat while on a GLP-1 medication? In this video, we will be giving you a simple, science-backed 7-day meal prep plan that will help you stay full, build lean muscle, and keep your energy steady, all without fighting nausea or appetite loss. Let's rebuild your week one meal at a time. Welcome to the Nutrition Wolf channel, where we make healthy eating simple for everyone, especially for people over 40. GLP-1 medications can transform blood sugar, weight and cravings, but only if your nutrition supports them. So make sure to watch this video to the end, because in this video you'll learn exactly how to meal prep for steady energy, less nausea and faster loss of fat. We'll cover breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, hydration, and a few easy comfort foods that won't spike your blood sugar. Let's get started. Before you cook a single meal, you need the right mindset. GLP-1 slows your digestion and curbs hunger signals. That means you won't eat as often, so every bite must count. Think of your plate as a tool for energy and muscle support, not just calories. Rule number 1. Protein first. Every meal starts with protein. Rule number 2. Fiber and hydration next. They help with regularity and reduce nausea. Rule number 3. Prep small portions, not no portions. You won't feel hungry, but your body still needs nutrients on schedule. Here is the breakfast blueprint. Start your mornings with protein plus slow carbs. If you skip breakfast entirely, you risk fatigue and muscle loss. Try these make-ahead options. Greek yogurt cups with chia and berries. Mini egg muffins with spinach and feta. Overnight oats made with unsweetened almond milk and a scoop of protein powder. Make 3 days worth at once and store in glass containers for grab-and-go ease. For lunch, we want a steady balance of fiber, healthy fat and lean protein. Here are some great combos. Grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted veggies. Salmon bowls with brown rice and avocado. Lentil soups for comfort on low appetite days. Batch cook grains on Sunday, portion them into small containers and rotate proteins to keep it interesting. Snack strategy. GLP-1 users often lose their snack cravings, but that doesn't mean that you should skip nutrition windows. Here is a snack strategy that you can utilize. Pack nutrient-dense mini snacks to keep your blood sugar stable. Here are some suggested snack ideas that will definitely help. A handful of mixed nuts, a hard-boiled egg, a protein shake with unsweetened almond milk. If you struggle with constipation or sluggishness, these small add-ins keep your digestive system moving. A dinner done right. Dinner is where most GLP-1 users undereat protein. You should definitely go light but nutrient-dense. Think air-fried salmon with asparagus and olive oil, or turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Avoid heavy sauces or fried foods that trigger nausea. Hydration and electrolytes. Hydration is non-negotiable. GLP-1 slows stomach emptying, and mild dehydration can amplify nausea. Keep a water bottle nearby and add a pinch of sea salt or sugar-free electrolyte packets once daily. Comfort foods that soothe. When you feel queasy or overfull, use soothing options like ginger tea, bone broth, and banana slices with nut butter. Avoid carbonated drinks and spicy meals until your stomach settles. I have a done-for-you roadmap that you can grab. It is the GLP-1 Strength and Nutrition Companion. It calculates protein, builds your 12-week plan, tracks symptoms, and includes a grocery starter PDF. It is available in 2 tiers, Core and Pro. The link will be in the description and also in the comments section. You should go grab it, as it will make your life way easier while on GLP-1. Han. I know that you found this video informative and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. So here's your plan that you should be working with while on GLP-1. Number 1. Protein first every meal. Number 2. Hydrate daily with electrolytes. Number 3. Prep grains and veggies once per week. And number 4. Keep comfort foods simple and soothing. If you follow this for 7 days, you'll feel more steady, less bloated, and in control of your routine. In my next video, I will teach you how to stop GLP-1 side effects before they start. So keep an eye out for the next video in this GLP-1 series. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Take action today for a healthier tomorrow.